Guys, this is day 2 of searching for my dad's gift, and we have come to some other place today. As you know, we could not get it yesterday, so we are searching for it today. Okay guys, so we had gone to the Raymond store because my father mostly wears stitched clothes, so he prefers buying the cloth himself and then getting it stitched also himself according to his comfort and his measurements. So we went to the store, and these were some of the shirt pieces that they showed us. The store is actually quite huge, and they have a lot of options in everything, in suit pieces, in shirts and pants and everything basically, and a lot of color variety as well. You can see patterns, prints, checks, everything they have absolutely everything. So these are the pant pieces that they were showing us, and I actually didn't realize, and I actually didn't know that there are so many types of black pants and so many patterns and so many textures. They actually had like one entire lane only for black pants. I mean, how amazing is that, or how weird is that? I really didn't know this. So once we got the pant done, we actually decided on which pant we wanted, and then we started deciding the shirt that would go with it. My father is very precisely checking the quality and stuff and everything, which he obviously usually does. Yeah. Then we started selecting the shirt that would go with the pant, and we wanted something really different, not something which was there with us already. So we decided we would get it, we would just take it in front of the mirror and see if it is suiting my dad or not. So we actually put it like this over him to see how it will look on him. We did this with 2-3 shirts, and we could not decide, because so we thought just let it see like that. We were refraining from doing this, but then ultimately we did it. This was another one that we had seen. So they had this really different and amazing sort of a stencil, which is a man with no clothes, and so whatever cloth you keep it on, it used to take it, because it was an empty stencil. So you could really very well see how the thing will look on when it's stitched. Finally got it, guys. We have finally got it. We are now going to go to some market or something. People who follow me on Instagram, again, I'm telling you guys to follow me on Instagram, because most of my life updates, most of the daily updates are there on Instagram. So quickly follow me on Instagram. So anyways, so people who follow me on Instagram know that I like to put mehendi, and not on myself but on others as well, and I do put very good mehendi. So most of the times every year on Karwa Chauth I only put mehendi on my mother's hands. So we are going to, and majorly this year also, I don't think it's safe enough to go outside and get it done from somebody else. So even this year I am going to do the same, and we are going to buy for some mehendi stuff, some Karwa Chauth stuff, something to bake a cake at home, because it's my father's birthday tomorrow. So I think it's going to be that as well. Guys, going to some local market in my area to buy some Karwa Chauth stuff. Guys, took some mehendi cones and took these cones from the mehendi wala people, because I think these work really well, these cones. So I am going to transfer this mehendi into these and then apply it to my mother. Guys, I came back home, changed into my comfy clothes. And yeah, that is it for this vlog. Please tell me if you're liking this series. I am gonna make more of these. Do not even for 8%, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because there are lots and lots of fun vlogs coming up, plus there's lots of beauty content coming up. So beauty content, fashion content for Diwali, beauty looks, beauty inspirations, everything coming up. Do not forget to catch up on that. So jaldi se click the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, because I keep updating everything over there. My Instagram is Safarnama by Ritika. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.